Yeah, in my last video I went on about how X-Plane simulates a proper spin stall in a Cessna 152. In this one I'm going to continue with the whole spin stall thing and explain a bit more about it. What a spin stall is, which I said in my last video, is that when one wing loses lift but the other one still keeps it, the wing that has lost the lift will then drop away from the aircraft, and of course the aircraft can't fly with one wing, so the whole aircraft follows it and then enters into a spin, which can stabilize and will continue to spin unless corrected by the pilot. What I wanted to show here is what the rudder actually does to do this, and again boasting my X-Plane 10 above Microsoft Flight Simulator, is that the rudder actually does something. As you can see here, the rudder is the thing on the back of the aircraft. Moves it about the Z-axis, and effectively, whichever direction you're turning into, the outside wing will be moving faster, so therefore it will have more lift. And I'm showing you this on a 747 just to show you that just because you're in a 747 doesn't mean you're not subject to the same laws of physics. So if I wanted to, I can enter into a spin stall with a 747. What I'm going to do is slow down so that the critical angle will be approached, which is where the angle of attack is so high that the wind, well, the air no longer flows over the aerofoil of the wings in a productive manner. So it then loses enough lift to lift the aircraft, and going past that critical angle is what initiates the stall. So what I'm going to do is put the inside wing here, which is going to be on the right because I'm going to turn to the right, into I'm going to push that past the critical angle. It's going to drop away and we'll hopefully end up in a spin. Okay, we're now going pretty slow. As you can see, the angle attack of both wings is now increasing. You can see the elevator being used quite a bit to keep in level flight. Okay, gonna now use rudder. Outside wing speeds up, inside wing slows down, and lift is lost. So as you can see now, in a bit of a spiral dive, which you don't particularly want to be doing on a commercial flight, so get out of that. I'll make it. Apparently yes. So yeah, that's spin stalls for you in a fairly basic explanation. Thank you for watching.
Now God knows anything goes.